And the wind blew.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I tried to have an earlier start this morning because I'm gonna start wrapping some gifts today, and then I'm also going to be making pho later. I'm going to a Christmas party tonight, and then opening some gifts right now that I'm gonna start wrapping. So if you guys are my close family members, you need to click out of this video right now, okay? So yeah, I hope you have been enjoying your holiday season so far. For my really close cousins, I got them some really cute silk robes. All of this stuff was from Amazon. I love Amazon. Wow, oh my god. You guys look. So you open the box and it comes with a pack of 2. I'm gonna keep one and then give one to my mom. Hi guys, we just got back from the Korean market. I was letting this soup boil for I think about 2.5 hours. It smells super duper good, and I'm gonna add seasoning in a sec. I'm eating some leftover pasta. I'm starving right now. And then probably try to do my makeup in between all of this and get ready. For these ends, I'll just usually keep them for whoever wants to put it in their broth. And then I'll chop the onions really, really thin. Damn, look at that. I'm all packed up and ready to go to the party. I'm just waiting for my friend to pick me up. I think I'm gonna take a power nap, to be honest. I'll see you guys when I start serving the food. Bye. Okay, can you make it go up?
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Boom.
Wow. Everyone, Merry Christmas! I wanted to make this episode extra long as the season finale. We've reached the end. Earlier this morning, I FaceTimed my family. Everyone was just chilling out, not really doing anything. Everyone was just relaxing and staying home. I think we're just gonna go around today, see what there is to do, and then probably just come back and chill out, have a movie day. I don't know, maybe play a Christmas game. I don't know. Okay, why don't we do some reflecting from this year? So before I start rambling and stuff, why don't we just start off with what happened in the month of January of this year. January was when I found out that I got accepted into school in California. I turned 21 that month. I'm a Capricorn. It was pretty crazy. There's a lot of stuff that was going on in my personal life, and I felt like I was going all over the place, and I kept myself really busy. I was working a lot. I think the end of January was kind of like a sad period for me, just because I felt really confused. I didn't know where I wanted to go. February was kind of a blur for me, to be honest. I think it was really stressful because that was when I was still trying to decide whether or not I wanted to move to California or if I wanted to go for New York, because I got accepted to schools in both states. So I think I was just kind of like in a weird limbo, sort of. And March comes and I made my decision. This is when I remember I just felt like there was so much to be done, and I was so afraid of admitting to myself that I like really wanted to go. I remember the day that I decided that I wanted to go, I like called my mom, and through this entire process of me like applying to go to a different school in a different state, like neither of my parents knew, because I wanted to get accepted first. I honestly didn't think I would get accepted into any of the schools, and I just wanted to take a leap just to see what would happen. So in March was when I told my parents that I was planning to go and that I had a solid plan, and by the time April and May kind of came around, that was when my lease ended for my very first apartment. So from there, we were moving, we were doing all sorts of stuff. We ended up moving downtown, and honestly, it was the best decision, I think, and I'm forever grateful that we got a chance to live downtown, because downtown Denver is probably one of my favorite places in the world. I just feel like really at peace there. I finished my last semester at my old school, and then I went straight to vacation. I got to go on my first cruise with my family, and it was an amazing trip. I loved it so much, and I can't wait for our next cruise. It was so chill, and I felt like I became really close to a lot of my cousins there, and I got to really relax. Then comes June. June is when I started a new job, and I was working for a summer program with kids with special needs, and I basically got to meet some amazing people there. I was having the time of my life, honestly. I was tired all the time, but I was trying to hustle as much as I could because I knew that we were moving so soon, and I was just trying to soak up the rest of what Denver had to offer. I felt myself learning about people and slowly thinking about like who was in my closer circle. With moving and transitioning, we reach August, or like end of July going into August. We were like apartment hunting. We came out to San Francisco and stuff, and we got to kind of go on like a mini vacation as well, and we got to see the city, and I started to get really excited. We gave away a lot of stuff. We packed what we could in like 4 suitcases, and we just left. I think at first it didn't really hit me until probably September, October of this year, when things started sinking in, like the actual feeling of not being at home anymore. You're in a completely new space, you don't really know anybody, you're going to a new school, like there's just a lot of shit. Oh, my battery's dying. I will continue with this later on, but we're gonna go to the Korean market again, probably try to get some small stuff to bring home, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi everyone, we're back home now. We just went out to eat for a little bit and took a walk. I believe the last month I talked to you guys about was September, October, November. Oh, it was rough. It was when I felt at my loneliest point. Yeah, those couple months were really stressful. Now, as we're transitioning into the very end of the year, kind of feel a little better about things. I feel like I'm really thankful that this month was full of so much growth. I really feel like I'm learning to thrive again, and even though those past couple of months were like really dark for me, like I wasn't talking to anyone, I was just strictly just trying to work hard in school and trying to balance my time with work. But even though all of this was so positive and, you know, I really didn't have anything to worry about, I kept myself busy because I just didn't want to think about those feelings that I kept pushing away. And I think it was because the fact that I'm not with my family for the holiday season for the first time, it kind of really hit me Christmas Eve. Felt like I knew that the holiday blues would probably hit me, but I just didn't think that it would hit me last night. I wanted to tell you guys about that because I know that some of you, who knows, some of you might be going through holiday blues as well, and I just want to let you know that you're not alone and that there are people who are there for you and really care about you, and it's okay to feel this way. You know, like, it's important to let these feelings hit you as they come. Overall, I'm gonna close this video now. Didn't upload every single day that I was supposed to upload, and that's okay because we still ended on a good note, I think. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm hella stoked for the brand new year. Don't forget to start planning your goals for 2019 as well. I want to give you guys all a big hug. I'm gonna let you guys go now. Thank you guys so much for keeping up with me, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.